post lunch, we did the check-in. My room number was 328, and I was scared to see this kind of low light area, and I don't know how to open the door. It was first time for me. Everything is first, and nobody was there in that floor to help me. So somehow I managed, and I saw lots of TV serials, so I know how to open it. This is my room, Crowne Plaza. So I have my lunch. It's 2 o'clock, and this is my bed, and I think this is the washroom. Let me check. Yeah, it's washroom. There is a bathtub. I'm not going to use. Oh, shower. I need some rest. Bathroom, and I was scared first. I thought somebody's there. There is a mini freezer and vault also. Oof, seriously, my mother always say that are tu gucha, and I was like, no, tum to songe jaccho. Seriously, this is the first time in my life, and I'm in Ahmedabad for this Fortune top 25 winner, and I'm in this hotel room, and right now I have to arrange everything by my own. I mean, jama guchano and everything. So this is very new to me, but that's okay. So I just changed it, and there was a problem, so that's why we did not get the room when we reached around 12:25 p.m. But we got the room around 2 p.m. So before that we had the lunch over here, the buffet lunch, and after that actually I was chit chatting with everybody, but the main problem is that I have a stomach problem suddenly. I don't know why and how it's happened. So the cabin crew, she told me that I have to take lots of water today, maybe for this I mean stomach upset what I can say. But let's see. So at 4:30 the event will start, and right now I look like very exhausted, and I have to go for shower, and then I'll do the makeup. And tomorrow I will have the flight again. It's 9:20 a.m. So let's see. This is I always find funny. I don't know. This is the bed, and this is the bathroom or washroom, whatever you wanna say. And you can see from here. Let me show you. It is fun for me. I always explore things. A bathtub I'm scared of, so I did not use. And here you can see that side. And if I'll step inside this bathtub, let me show you something. Yeah, there you can drag that, and you can see the entire view of my room. I don't know why on earth the bathroom is like that. I have no idea. First I saw in Kolkata, that is 2015, I went for a shoot, and I remember when I went inside the room and I saw this kind of washroom, I said, what horrible thing. So it's fun for me. One of the best experience is that whenever I was using the water, I always get the lukewarm water. So my travel tiredness was gone. The next video I will show my makeup. First time I will show you the get ready with me. So stay tuned for the next video.